Good morning, everyone. As you can see behind me, fall has just showed up here. So I'm in a rush to actually finish all my project on my boat before winter sets in. So I got 3 projects to finish. First one is I gotta finish the cover for my boat during winter, and I also gotta finish all the cleaning up on the interior and removing the maximum mold on the interior, and also taking all the wood off the boat so I can work on it in my shop during winter. So let's get going. So there's the boat. So I need to make a cover for it. Here is the idea. I have already one post here and one on the other side, and there's one that we took off here and here to actually take the boat here. If you haven't seen the video where I'm bringing the boat here, I'll put a link somewhere in the screen for you guys to go see it. So I'm gonna reinstall this pipe here and here, and then I'm gonna use those 4 posts to make a cover for the boat. Here it is. I made the frame yesterday. Now today I'm gonna make another triangle here that's gonna be installed in the back of the boat here, in this area, to hold the fabric in an angle like this. So let's get going. Final product, pretty simple, but it works for me. It was pretty cheap to make. The most expensive part was the fabric, which was $100, but it's pretty big. Now I can work on it during winter. Let me show you how it is inside. So that's the gateway in. Go up here. I got 2 straps holding it down. Take that off. Oop. Take the other one off. This is awkward with one hand. Take the other one off. Now I open this up. Now I have access inside. Now I have access inside, and I can work on the entire boat because it's all accessible. This is a ABS 3-inch pipe that was lying around here, and then the other pipes too were stuff left over from the previous job I did on the house, so all that was free. Just had to cut them into size for me to work. And the metal post here, which you can see over there, there is another 3-inch ABS pipe I had lying around from the previous owner on my house. So finally, this project is done. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.